Accessing dict_keys element by index in Python 3. I'm trying to access a dict_keys element by its index. I want to get foo. Same with. How can I do this?
Call list on the dictionary instead. In Python 3, the dict.keys method returns a dictionary view object, which acts as a set. Iterating over the dictionary directly also yields keys, so turning a dictionary into a list results in a list of all the keys.
Not a full answer, but perhaps a useful hint. If it is really the first item you want asterisk, then is much faster than. For large dicts, since the whole thing doesn't have to be stored in memory. For 10.000.000 items, I found it to be almost 40.000 times faster. Asterisk the first item in case of a dict being just a pseudorandom item before Python 3.6, after that it's ordered in the standard implementation, although it's not advised to rely on it. Python 3. Output. Also see this detailed answer.
I wanted key and value pair of a first dictionary item. I used the following code.
If you need to slice dictionary keys, not just the first key, instead of calling list on test, generalize the method in marks answer using ilist from the built-in itutils module. Depending on the size of the slice relative to the size of the dictionary, this method is 50% to 40,000x faster than. For example, in the example below, it's 43,000x faster.